Andiyan na si Cookie! Oh my goodness! Asa si Shay? Nagikuha. Gikuha niya si Cookie. So, today... Ay! Pia! Come here. Na! Paakon yun ka. This is Pia. Say hi to the live. Grabe ka naman. Ang arte-arte mo naman. This is Pia. Hanabeshi's daughter. Where you going, huh? Where you are going? So I'm just waiting for Kevin to come. For Kevin to come. I hope makita kita here sa CDO. Sure, soon. Very, very soon. Bakit naman hindi? Kailan naman hindi pumupunta? Lagi naman akong available. Si Tom. Tapos si Jerry. Paakyat pa. So, open na nga natin to. Ito naman kay Amethyst. Hi Amethyst, if you're watching this, hello. How are you? I'm gonna open this up. Ay, sabi ni Amethyst, ka-birthday niya daw si Martha Amethyst. Yung drag queen dito sa... Ito ba yun? Na-remember ko. Sabi niya sa akin, alam mo, kilala ko din yun siya. Magka-birthday kami. Sabi ko siya, talaga? Share mo lang. Joke. Joke lang, syempre. Hi, Kiana with a K. It was so nice meeting you in person. Never stop shining and spreading love and positivity to those around you. Know that you inspire so many people with your talent, personality, and I can't wait to see you achieve your dreams very soon. I love you. Can't wait to see you again very soon. Amethyst. Hi, Amethyst. This is a necklace. Ay! Cookie! Hi, Cookie! You're so big na, baby! You're so big na!
Wala na,
You're
mystery
so
na,
big
basta
na!
yun.
You're so big na!
Wala na, miss ka, pwede nga na.